These are Spy Flynn frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the lens. Now this is a singular lens, so what we're going to do is we're going to take the top part of the frame and we're going to pull out on the frame while pushing down on the lens. Half of the lens should pop out. We're going to repeat on this side. Again, pull out on the top part and push down on the lens, like so. Now the frame should not be completely removed yet. What you're going to do is just push up underneath and the frame or the lens should pop out. Now to reinstall it, all you have to put the top middle section of the lens into the top middle section of the frame first. You're going to align it with the nose piece and you're going to push the lens into the grooves on the nose piece, like so. They should pop in fairly easily. Next, you're just going to take 2 fingers underneath and 1 finger on top and sort of bend it so that way the corners can pop into place, like so. And you repeat for the other side as well. And that's it.